A flagship smartphone with a headphone jack sounds impossible in 2026. A flagship with expandable storage sounds even stranger. Add professional camera controls, front-facing stereo speakers, a dedicated shutter button, and one of the most creator-focused camera systems on the market. Yet Sony has quietly launched exactly that. While most of the tech world is focused on iPhones and Galaxies, the Xperia VIII has arrived with a completely different philosophy. Instead of chasing trends, Sony is doubling down on the features that power users actually miss. The result may be one of the most overlooked premium phones of the year. The Xperia VIII immediately stands out because it refuses to look like every other flagship. Sony continues using its signature 21:9 design, giving the phone a tall and cinematic appearance. The 6.5-inch OLED display supports a smooth 120Hz refresh rate and delivers excellent color accuracy. Movies look fantastic, games feel responsive, and scrolling remains fluid. One of the biggest advantages of this display is what is missing. There is no notch and no punch hole interrupting content. Sony uses symmetrical bezels instead, creating a clean viewing experience. The extra space also allows for genuine front-facing stereo speakers, giving videos and games stronger sound. Sony has also kept features that many brands abandoned years ago. The Xperia VIII includes a 3.5mm headphone jack. There is also a micro SD card slot for expandable storage, allowing users to carry huge libraries of photos, videos, music, and files without paying extra for higher storage tiers. The cameras are where Sony really separates itself from the competition. The Xperia VIII features three 48-megapixel rear cameras paired with Zeiss optics. The main camera, ultra-wide camera, and telephoto camera all benefit from large sensors designed to capture more light and detail. The telephoto camera is particularly impressive thanks to its significantly larger sensor compared with previous Xperia generations. Sony approaches photography differently from most smartphone brands. Instead of relying heavily on artificial processing, it focuses on delivering natural results. Colors look realistic, highlights remain controlled, and images often appear closer to what the human eye actually sees. The professional controls are another major advantage. Sony's camera software borrows ideas from its Alpha camera lineup, allowing users to adjust shutter speed, ISO, focus, and white balance manually. For photographers and creators, that level of control is extremely valuable. Video capabilities are equally impressive. The Xperia VIII supports 4K HDR, recording at up to 120 frames per second, and includes cinematic features designed for serious content creators. Performance is exactly what you would expect from a modern flagship. Powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor and paired with up to 16 GB of RAM, the Xperia VIII handles multitasking, gaming, editing, and demanding applications with ease. Battery life is another strength. The 5,000 mAh battery is designed to last through heavy daily use, and Sony claims many users can achieve up to 2 days on a single charge. So why is nobody talking about it? The biggest reasons are visibility and price. Sony simply does not market smartphones on the same scale as Apple or Samsung. Many buyers never even see Xperia devices in stores or advertisements. The premium price also places it directly against some of the most recognizable phones in the industry. Still, the Xperia VIII offers something increasingly rare: personality. It is built for people who care about photography, audio quality, expandable storage, and creative control. Rather than following the crowd, Sony has created a phone that serves a specific audience exceptionally well. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. The Xperia VIII proves that great technology does not always receive the attention it deserves. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable insights, smartphone reviews, and hidden tech discoveries. More exciting devices are on the way, and the next one might surprise you even more. And that is exactly why this phone deserves attention.